Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Michael Hartley with Action Coach. What needs to pivot in my business, kickstart your day, get you refocused, because business is changing daily right now. Well, good day and welcome to our preparation to sprint ahead in our businesses. I am Dr. Michael Hartley. I'm a non-medical type of doctor. I operate on business, and today we're operating on yours. When we look at the path forward, where we are heading, how to get there, we look at today, we're going to look at mindset, and we're going to look at understanding some of the most critical numbers in your business. At the end of the day, please write this down. Business is math. So we must understand the math that builds the business. Otherwise we just don't know our business. So when we look at this, we are, for the majority of the country, in this warm-up phase, and for some, they're already in the sprint phase. For some, they're already opened up and they're now moving forward. For others, they're still in the warming up phase. So, question for you today is, wherever you are at, how can your business help others in each of these phases? How can you help others wherever they're at? First and foremost, we're going to focus on your mindset. And this is one of the most critical lessons I learned early on, which is something, candidly, that I believe I still work on, because it is needed to work on. And so where are you at in this cycle? We look at it and we go, okay, the bottom left, I'm not okay, you're not okay. This is what I call the child's mindset. I'm not okay, so you're not going to be okay. Then we look at the I'm okay, you're still not okay. Then we look at the other side, that kind of kitty corner one, and it says it's the I'm not okay, you are. Ultimately, we want to get to the I'm okay and you're okay. When we look at the I'm okay, you're not okay, those are the individuals that are like, I don't care what happens to anybody else. I'm going to do whatever I have to do to make sure I'm good. Then we look at the opposite side of that whole thing, and you have the individuals who are the, even if I'm not okay, I'm still going to make sure that you are. Those are the two more adult mindsets. In fact, I believe that every adult is born to naturally be in one of those two. What we want to focus on is how to get everybody into the top right, the I'm okay and you're okay. You see, this is where we have a high self-respect and a high respect for others. When you have a low self-respect and high respect for others, you're in the bottom right. When you have a high self-respect and a low respect for others, you're in the top left. So we want to get you to where you have a high self-respect and a high respect for others. When we talk about working through empathy and things like that right now, this is to the core of what that means. It means making sure that you have a high self-respect and a high respect for others. It's not about making sure that just you're good and you're out there ahead. It's not about saying, well, I'm going to diminish myself to make others more successful. It's about going, how can we make this where we are both okay? Think about that in your life. Think about that in your business. Think about that in your relationships. What does that look like? In your relationships right now, where does each person kind of fit more often than not? Guaranteed, you're thinking of at least one or two people right now, and you're putting them somewhere, and you ideally put yourself somewhere. Maybe you ask. Maybe you need to ask others, of this, where do you see I'm at most of the time? Interestingly enough, you may find yourself in a different quadrant based on personal life and business. You may, whether it's intentional or not, you may put yourself into different quadrants depending on if it's a personal relationship or if it's a business relationship. And how interesting is that? So where are you at? How do we get you across the board into the I'm okay and you're okay? When I was working with Lexus, they're owned by Toyota, Japanese company, they taught me this concept of Kaizen, which is the constant and never-ending improvement. It ties directly into something that we talked about yesterday, which is most individuals grow and plateau and maintain. They just stay right there. Kaizen says you're going to grow, you're going to plateau, and then you're going to grow some more, and then you're going to plateau, and then you're going to grow some more, and then you're going to plateau. That is never ending improvement. I call that being the constant student, Kaizen. How do you apply Kaizen to you? I'm literally going to be teaching. I was supposed to be actually over in Tokyo because of everything going on. I'm going to be doing it virtually, but I'm going to be teaching a whole group of business owners from Japan in the next week. It's going to be a whole lot of fun. They take this concept and it's just ingrained into, kind of who they are. How do we take that? How do we become the constant student and have that never ending improvement? Grow, plateau, grow, plateau. How do you apply that to the previous slide where we talked about getting it to where we're both okay? Well, that takes growing, that takes maturity, that takes learning, that takes other people identifying what we actually are. So it's time to sprint. Let's really look at that path forward now and what our after is. What do you want the after to look like, both personal life, business life? And on the business side, we have to understand our numbers. So we're going to focus first and foremost on break even, your daily and weekly amounts of break even. And when we look at break even, we really look at it with profit calculated into it. And you may sit and ask, well, how the heck do I do that? Well, first and foremost, you're going to do it with our system because our system allows you to bake your profit into it. It's when you budget, when you add all your budgeted profits, what you desire to have at the end of the year, and you bake that right in along with your variable cost. So you want budget to have your profit in it, its fixed cost, and your variable cost. Fixed costs, because it's going to matter in a moment. Your fixed costs are all the costs that you have, regardless if you make a sale or not. Regardless if you have any sales in the business or not, you have this expense. That's a fixed cost. Any costs that you have, any expenses that you have incurred because you need to do business, you need to buy something, or it's a cost of goods sold, whatever it is, any cost or expense that is directly tied to because you increased your sales, because you're having sales, is tied to a sale. That is a variable cost. So this is the formula. Break even equals fixed costs plus profit together. Divide that by your gross profit margin, which is a percentage. That's going to give you break even. To calculate gross profit, which is going to matter, you have to understand your total sales minus your variable costs. And if you're watching this, hit pause. If you're watching it afterwards, if you're watching it live, take a screenshot of this, or we can coach you through it. Take your total revenue, total sales, minus your variable costs. And again, variable costs are any cost that you incur because you had a sale. That gives you gross profit. Okay, total sales minus variable costs, that gives us gross profit. We now take that number, the number you just created, and we divide it back by your total sales. You see, total sales are on both sides of this thing, which is why you got to know what your total sales are. It's fairly easy to understand though. So revenue, total sales minus your variable costs gives you a number. You're going to take that number, which is your gross profit. You're going to take that number, divide it by your total revenue. That's going to give you gross profit margin. It's going to give you the percentage. Now we can go back up to the overall break-even formula, and we go, okay, fixed costs plus profit. Put those together, divide that by your new number, which you just identified, which is your gross profit margin. That is now going to give you your answer. And again, if you're coached by us, we have an entire profit calculator, break-even calculator, baked right into your system. All you gotta do is input some of these numbers, and it's going to tell you what your answer is. And we want you to understand what that is, not just for the year, for the month, for the week, potentially for the day, depending on your industry. What does that actually look like for you? These are the type of numbers that really are going to matter. So when we look at growing your business, we want to bake the profit you desire into it, so that way we go at the pace that you desire to go. This is the formula for how to do that. And again, if you need to go back and watch this again, you can hit pause when it's on YouTube. And if you're watching on YouTube, then you can just rewind it. Understanding the numbers in business is extremely important. There's a lot of numbers that you need to know. So we're gonna dissect the most important ones. First and foremost, you got to know what your break even is with profit calculated into it. Fundamental of business. Then we get to cash gap, and cash gap is something that some businesses have more of a struggle with than others, very candidly. And so this is what really cash gap means. So you buy stock of something, right? A product, a physical asset, something. Maybe paying people in a service type based industry. It could be a lot of different things. And sometime between day 0 and day 30, you're most likely going to have to pay for that. Again, whether that's whatever assets that may be in your business. It could be something physical, could be a human being, it could be a lot of different things. And again, depending on what your negotiations are and things like that will depend on if you've paid for them from the first moment or if you've delayed payment 30 days. So somewhere in that payables section, you paid for that stock that has arrived. Now that stock sits with you. Again, assets, whether that is, individuals, whether that's a physical product, whatever that might be. And then somebody decides to pay for it. They decide to acquire it. And then sometime between that day 0 and up to 60 days for some businesses, it's kind of crazy, their AR, for some even 90 days, they don't get paid for it. So what happens is you have somewhere where you've paid for something, and then you have the end result of when you actually get paid back for it. That's called cash gap. And for some, it's extremely small. And for some, it's extremely large. The key thing is, first and foremost, understand what yours is, do the math, and figure out how much in time do I have cash gap, and what is that total amount that's just kind of sitting with me before I actually, as a business, get paid for it, before the business gets paid for it. That's going to tell you the time of cash gap you have and how much it's costing your business. So now you can determine, first and foremost, is that healthy for my business? And second of all, if it's not, what do I need to do to reduce it? What I'll share with you is we want to get that next to 0. And we just want to understand the systems that you need to put in place to get it there, and maybe renegotiating contracts and things like that to where you may not have to pay for things until it's closer to the point where you're actually going to sell them. Lots of things can happen. First and foremost, you got to know where you're at, so that way you can then determine what you need to do about it. So when you prepare for the sprint ahead, we got to know the numbers. And first 2 numbers we want to know, break even with profit calculated into it. And the second one is, what is your cash gap? And does it need improvement? You can't learn if you don't ask, by Kobe Bryant. Simply, we want you to have Kaizen, that concept, never-ending learning, constant student, constant improvement. So ask. Simplest way to do that is through our Action Network. Get plugged in. We'll give you a couple weeks for free. We are specifically adding value. We guarantee we're adding value every single week, and we're changing the topics up of how we're doing that. So that way it's an ever constant flow, and everyone is rising up that is in the group. It's kind of fun to watch. Get connected. It's every Thursday for 1 hour of your time, doing it from wherever you want to. You could probably even do it from a plane if you wanted to, knowing that there's enough Wi-Fi and those things. And no one's traveling right now, so the Wi-Fi is going to be really good on it. Get connected with us. Again, you'll never learn if you don't ask. So start asking. Start asking for others to guide you, and start looking at these specific areas in your mindset and then in the business numbers, so that way you can properly grow. I'm Dr. Michael Hartley. I'm here to elevate your business, enhance your lifestyle. Please put into the chat or the comments one thing that you got out of watching this video, so we can start to understand better where you're at. And if you have questions, type them in as well. We are absolutely happy to support and help answer questions. Bye for now.